back to the channel. I'm in a rocking chair today. Don't ask me why. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial on how to put on a microfiber hair wrap. Ladies and gentlemen, step number 1. Here is the button right at the top, so you keep the button there. Step number 1, flop your hair forward where your button is. There she goes, hood over. Step number 2, twist, 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 twist. And step number 3. And then the hook is on the outside. Cuban. Microfiber towels and hair wraps have become so popular in recent years. I personally thought this is just such a gimmick, I can just use a towel, but not so. There are so many benefits. My name is Fortuna, welcome back to the channel. Every week I post a brand new video all about hair care and hair growth and everything you can do to stop hair loss. If that sounds like your cup of tea, feel free to subscribe, or don't if you just don't want to. I have kindly been sent the Coco Eve. Oh, why am I holding up this? I have kindly been sent the Coco Eve hair wrap. Let's discuss, is it worth it? What's the point of it? Why should I bother? Let's go. I also own the brand It Really Works Vitamins. We're a hair care supplement brand from here in the UK. We've been in Forbes as the best nutrition innovation 2019 and 18, and we're in Shortlist magazine for the best hair regrowth product for men. But we're not just for men, we're suitable for men and women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. Let's discuss the microfiber hair wrap. What is the point of it? As you can see, here is the microfiber toweling. So much better than ordinary cotton towel, because after you've just washed your hair and you're rubbing it with a cotton towel, it's causing loads of friction, and this friction could actually be fraying the outside of the hair shaft. This can cause damage to the hair, and if your hair is already weak, it could be tugging at the hair follicles and causing it to fall out, which is what you don't want to do. When you rub your hair with a towel, especially if you wash your hair every day, it can cause frizz and damage the hair follicles. So microfiber towels, which are just like your ordinary microfiber towels that you use to wipe up little spillages in your kitchen, on your kitchen counter. They soak up the water, they draw it out, and they help your hair to dry way faster than normal towels. And so if you have really thick curly hair, they're way better for your hair than regular towels. I find my hair dries at the ends and it sort of dries at the top. It's underneath your hair that's at the neck is always like soaking wet for ages. So my microfiber hair wrap helps to just completely combat this. It dries it in a much faster time than normal towels. I've got a special coupon code for you if you want to get your own towel at Coco Eve. So as you can see, I've just washed my hair with a paraben-free shampoo. Still very wet. I find a really good way of using my microfiber towel is the method that Coco Eve advise to super nourish your hair. So I actually bought this hair mask to try out. Shampoo as normal. Evenly distribute a generous amount of product to the hair. Leave for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. But an interesting thing that they say on their website is that if you really want to do a really deep, nourishing mask, put this on overnight. So let's get started. Oh, it smells so nice. Ooh. So just checking out the Coco Eve website, this mask claims to be a 5-in-1 treatment. Number 1, restores dry and damaged hair. Number 2, improves hair texture and shine. Number 3, hydrates and deeply conditions. Number 4, treats split ends and tames frizz. And number 5, transforms your hair in only 10 minutes. So I've just slathered my hair with the hair mask. What they suggest to do now is put the towel on, leave it overnight, rinse out, have beautiful hair. Let's see what happens. Hello you guys, I am back. So I have had the microfiber towel on overnight with my hair. It actually wasn't as uncomfortable as you think. I hate having my hair up when I'm in bed and I'm asleep. I just hate it, I find it a bit uncomfortable. But I found it was really, really comfy actually. It didn't affect me at all. And I'm also feeling that my hair is looking lovely and thick. I don't know if I'm just imagining it or if it is. I think it looks really nice actually. I feel a bit 1985 today. Well done, Coco Eve! Guys, Guys, in summary of the Microfiber hair towel by Coco Eve, I'm not having to carry this massive bath towel around on my head while I'm drying it. It's really, really light, super light. It's very comfortable to wear. I'm not a hat person. Actually, I don't wear a hat. I don't really even like wearing hats in the winter, so it's not like a heavy hat or anything like that. It's an extremely light, little, almost like flannelly microfiber flannel, really, that you've got on your head. You can't even feel that you're wearing it. It's really comfortable. My hair doesn't feel heavy on my head. The towel itself isn't heavy. It dries my hair really quickly, and I find I've not really noticed a difference in the texture of my hair, just because I own a hair vitamins company, so my hair is really healthy already, so I don't find it's changed anything like that. But I have found that my hair just dries really quickly. I'm able to get on with my day, and I really enjoy doing the hair mask. It conditions, moisturizes my hair just a little bit more, and it's a lovely little self-care treat for your girl. I'm enjoying it. It is Fortuna approved, and I would definitely recommend purchasing it. If they do, I think they may have just sold out, but check the link in the description to see if you can get yours and get 10% off with my code. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. The Microfiber hair towel is Fortuna approved. If you have your own questions about hair loss or hair care, please do feel free to DM us. We are at It Really Works Vitamins on Instagram, and I'm gonna love you and leave you and see you next time. Before I forget to mention, guys, if hair loss is something that's happening in your life, download my free ebook. This is a book that I put my heart and soul into. It covers absolutely everything to do with DHT and hair loss. As you know, if you are suffering from male pattern baldness, DHT is probably the bane of your life. And the issue is, it's not that you have too much DHT, it's your own hair follicle sensitivity to DHT. So you need to reduce your sensitivity to this normal natural hormone. And the best ways to do this are by eating all the right foods, which I list out for you, packing your diet with things like, for example, green tea, certain snacks, which I list in the ebook, and we have a DHT blocking scrub and hair oil, which people swear by. I've had so many fantastic comments about that, so it really makes me happy. Check out my free ebook, the link is in the description. And for the people that have stuck around right to the end, I'm gonna fast forward to my future self because we've got a very special coupon. We have a very special offer for our It Really Works Vitamins customers. We have teamed up with the one and only Deborah Mitchell, who is the genius behind Heaven Skincare. She has got rave reviews. This is just what the Daily Mail have said about their eye cream. This eye cream for men contains organic bee venom. That's correct, bee venom. You heard that correctly. There are so many benefits in bee venom. There are so many benefits in bee venom, and this eye cream is worth $37.99, but it is free. When you purchase a 90-day supply of It Really Works vitamins, you get this eye cream worth $37.99 or just over $50, absolutely free. Can I just say free worldwide shipping with no minimum spend, global shipping. Most of our customers aren't actually in the UK, they're in the US, Singapore, Australia, Canada. So fill your boots. We don't have many left actually, because I sent an email out to our current customers and it's almost gone. I think there's about 12 left. So I just wanted to share it with, because I think it's a shame if it goes to waste. Guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do give it a big thumbs up. I have a very special coupon code if you'd like to try out Coco and Eve. I've been singing the praises of the Like a Virgin hair mask. It's fantastic because it has so many natural oils in it. Coconut oil, argan oil, linseed for shine. Please do feel free to leave a comment if you have your very own question about your own hair care or hair growth or hair loss. Hello gorgeous people. Before I go, I just wanted to have a little bit of a housekeeping moment, because I wanted to say I really want to ramp up all of this content on my channel. I'm absolutely loving doing all of these videos, and I think it's really interesting when the founder, his or herself, is actually presenting all of the videos, and you get to see a lot more about a brand. If you've heard about the brand, you get to see just almost like inside the mind of the founder and what it's like. I find that interesting. Anyway, but I want to share loads more videos, but it feels almost impossible to do that because I'm finding that the videos are a little bit all-consuming. When I shoot them, send all the content over to the editor, and I'm always thinking up new ways of making more funny, interesting videos to share with you guys. But it's so all-consuming, and there is so much to do here at It Really Works Vitamins Towers, and I'm not able to purely focus on the videos. So the team at It Really Works Vitamins are all going to be getting involved. Kind of whether they like it or not. No, I'm not like putting a gun to anyone's head and telling them you've got to make a video for my channel. But and more people are going to be involved in the videos. Please do bear with. You know, they're not sort of actors. They haven't done voice training. They're just normal, you know, stuff. So I hope you enjoy the future videos that are coming out. We've got lots to share, lots of things that we've been doing research on. You know, they've all been practicing their voice coaching and they're going to be presenting the videos too, which is really exciting. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I know it's a little bit rambly, hodgepodge. I do a little bit of everything in each video. I hope it tickles your fancy. See you next time on the It Really Works Vitamins Extravaganza. Love you guys. Bye for now.